Welcome to the WordPress Ultimate Security channel. In this video, we will cover how to reset a user's 2FA method right from the WordPress admin panel, ensuring your team never stays locked out for long. Let's start from the beginning. As a security-conscious administrator, you want to make sure your team is protected. You navigate to your Ultimate Security settings, go to two-factor authentication, and decide to enable both email OTP and Authenticator apps specifically for your editor role. So, at first, you go to the email setting and enable the email toggle, then select the editor among the other users. You save your changes. Next, you navigate to the Authenticator app settings to enable the feature. From this section, you need to select and assign the editor role. By enabling both methods, your editor can pick whichever option is most convenient for them. Now, let's look at it from the editor's perspective. To see exactly how this looks for them, we have to go to the user settings from WordPress menu, then select all users. Now we'll use a user switching feature to jump right into this editor account. The editor logs into his account to comply with the new security policy. He goes to his profile, scrolls down to the Ultimate Security settings, and chooses email as his preferred 2FA method. He requests a verification code, checks his inbox, enters the 6-digit code, saves his settings, and updates his profile. The editor account is now safely set up with 2FA. To test it out, the user logs out and tries to log back in. He enters his username and password, and perfect! Ultimate Security prompts him for his verification code. His account is secured with two-step authentication. But here comes the twist. If the user loses his device somehow and can't get his verification code and is completely locked out, he reaches out to the admin for help. To fix this, go to the admin dashboard, then Users and click All Users. Now open the editor's profile to edit it. Scroll all the way down to Ultimate Security section. You'll see a dedicated section called Reset 2FA Method. Simply click the red Reset 2FA Settings button, confirm the action in the pop-up window, and click Update User. Just like that, his old lost 2FA connection is wiped clean. Now, let's see if it worked. The user goes back to the login page, enters credential, and clicks Login. Instead of being blocked by a 2FA prompt, the user instantly granted access to the dashboard. The user can now go straight to his profile and set up his 2FA with his new device. And that is how you keep your website secure without letting a lost device disrupt your team's workflow. Ultimate Security makes user management effortless and safe. Download Ultimate Security, link in description. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a like, subscribe to our channel for more WordPress security tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Stay secure, and we'll see you in the next video.